simple, natural, and full of good energy.
Hey friends, it's Paul. It feels great to be here again. I've got a big smile today.
You do look full of energy, Paul. Did you sleep well?
Yes, I did. I feel strong and healthy this morning.
Perfect, because today's topic is all about that, healthy habits.
Healthy habits? Oh, that's a good one. Everyone wants to feel good and full of energy.
Exactly. But before we start, can we ask a little favor?
Of course. Friends, if you enjoy this podcast, please tap that like button right now.
Yes, and don't forget to subscribe to Miss English channel. Every click helps us make more happy English episodes for you.
And share this with a friend who wants to learn English and stay healthy.
Thank you so much. Now, Paul, let's dive in.
I'm ready. Where do we start?
Let's start with something very simple, water.
Ah, water. But you know me, Emily. I love my morning coffee.
I know you do, but your body still needs water. Coffee wakes you up, but water keeps you alive.
True. Sometimes I drink coffee all day and forget about water.
Many people do that, but drinking water is one of the easiest healthy habits. It helps your brain, your skin, and even your mood.
So, how much water should we drink each day?
They say around 8 glasses.
8? That sounds like a lot.
It sounds big, but you can start small. Remember what we said about confidence? One small step.
Right. Maybe 1 glass in the morning.
Yes, 1 glass right after you wake up. Think of it as saying, "Good morning, body."
Good morning, body. Here's your water. I can do that.
And maybe 1 glass before lunch and 1 before dinner. That's already 3. Easy, right?
Totally. I'll try that. Do you prefer cold or warm water?
In summer, I like cold water with ice, but sometimes I love warm water with a little lemon.
Lemon? Sounds fancy.
Not really. It just makes water taste fresh and clean.
I'll try that tomorrow. Water with lemon. A healthy start to the day.
Good job, Paul. Now let's talk about food. Healthy eating.
Oh yes, food. My favorite subject. But Emily, I must confess, I love pizza, especially pepperoni pizza on Friday nights.
I know you do, and I love cheese pizza. Pizza's fine sometimes. It's a want, not a need.
Right, from our money episode. Pizza is a want.
Exactly. But for our needs, our bodies need fruits and vegetables every day.
Veggies. Not my best friends.
Oh, Paul, don't make that face. Veggies can be delicious.
Okay. I like carrots. They're crunchy.
Good. Carrots are great for your eyes. What about tomatoes?
I like them on pizza. Does that count?
Close enough. Tomatoes are full of vitamins. Think of your plate like a rainbow. Red tomatoes, orange carrots, green broccoli.
Broccoli looks like a tiny tree.
Exactly, and that little tree is super healthy.
So I should eat colors like a rainbow. I like that. When I go shopping, I'll look for colors. Red, orange, yellow, green.
That's perfect. Eating colors keeps your body strong and your meals beautiful.
And fruit? I love fruit.
Fruit is nature's candy, sweet, fresh, and healthy.
Healthy candy. Nice. I love apples and oranges.
An apple a day keeps the doctor away, right?
Yes, and bananas in the morning give me energy.
Exactly. A banana is like natural fuel for your day.
I feel stronger already just talking about it.
That's the power of healthy talk. So we have water and food. What comes next?
Let me guess. Moving? Exercise?
Yes, moving your body every day.
That's hard for me, Emily. I sit at a desk all day. Numbers, reports, screens.
I understand, but you don't need the gym. Just walking helps a lot.
Ah, that's good news. The gym is too loud for me.
Then walk. Walking is free and powerful.
I walk to the bus stop each morning.
Great start. Maybe walk 10 more minutes after lunch?
10 minutes? That's short. I can do that.
Yes, fresh air helps your body and your mind.
True. I feel less stressed when I walk.
Exactly. And when you walk, stand tall, shoulders back, like a superhero.
Walking to the coffee shop like Superman.
Perfect. Confidence makes you feel strong.
What about stairs? My office is on the third floor.
Then you have a free workout every day. Take the stairs.
The third floor? That's a lot of steps.
Think of it as a small mountain. Climb it once a day.
Okay, one mountain a day. Small steps to big change.
Exactly.
So now we have water, healthy food, and movement. What's next, Emily?
One of my favorite things, sleep.
Ah, yes. I love sleeping. But sometimes I don't sleep enough.
Many people stay up too late. They watch TV or scroll through their phones.
Guilty. I often watch movies at midnight.
I understand. Movies are fun, but sleep is when your body heals and grows strong.
That explains why I feel tired and grumpy when I don't sleep well.
Yes, and nobody wants a grumpy Paul. We want a happy, smiling Paul.
Okay, deal. So how many hours should we sleep?
Most adults need 7 or 8 hours each night.
8 hours? That means I should go to bed earlier.
Exactly. Try a bedtime routine. It helps your body relax before sleep.
A routine? Like what?
Maybe 30 minutes before bed, turn off your phone.
No phone? But I check my emails before sleeping.
Emails can wait, Paul. The bed is for resting, not for work.
You're right. What should I do instead?
You can read a book or listen to soft music, or even a quiet episode of Miss English podcast.
That sounds nice. And I have my favorite blue pajamas. They make me feel calm.
Perfect. Put on your blue pajamas, read a few pages, and let yourself rest.
That sounds like a beautiful evening. I think I'll sleep much better tonight.
You will. Sleep well, and you'll wake up with fresh energy.
So water, healthy food, walking, and sleep. These are the 4 keys to a healthy life.
Yes, and they're all easy to start. You don't need much money for any of them.
That's true. Water's cheap, walking is free, sleeping is free.
Exactly. The best health plan is simple and affordable.
I feel motivated already. I want to be the healthiest Paul ever.
I like that goal. But there's one more part of health, your mind.
My mind?
Yes, mental health. Feeling happy and peaceful is also a healthy habit.
So how do I practice that?
By doing things you enjoy. For me, it's talking to friends, like talking to you right now.
Oh, Emily, that's sweet. I like talking to you too. It makes me smile.
See, that's one healthy habit, connecting with others.
And laughing, right? Laughing feels so good.
Exactly. Laughing is like exercise for your heart.
Then we're very healthy because we laugh a lot on this show.
That's true. So kindness, laughter, and friendship, they all keep our minds healthy.
I love that. And maybe sometimes being quiet too.
Yes, just 1 minute of silence can help your mind rest.
1 minute of silence. That's hard for me. I like to talk.
Just 1 minute, Paul. Take a deep breath, close your eyes, and relax.
Okay, 1 minute of Paul time. I could try that.
It helps your brain feel lighter, less busy.
Wow, Emily, we talked about so many great things today.
We did. Let's quickly remember them together.
Good idea. First, water.
Yes, drink a glass when you wake up. Say, hello, body.
Then, food. Eat colors like a rainbow. Red tomatoes, orange carrots, green broccoli.
And fruits, apples, bananas, and oranges for energy.
Next, movement. Walk for 10 minutes, climb stairs, stand tall like a superhero.
Exactly. And then sleep. 7 to 8 hours. No phone, just rest.
And the last one, happiness. Laugh, be kind, spend time with people you love.
Beautiful summary, Paul. You remembered everything.
Well, it's easy when the tips are fun. Healthy habits don't have to be boring.
True. They can be part of a happy life.
I'm going to start today with a big glass of water.
Me too. My coffee's gone, so it's water time.
Perfect.
Everyone, we hope you enjoyed this episode about healthy habits.
Yes, and remember, you don't need to be perfect. Just take one small step today.
One small step for your body, one big step for your health.
We'd love to hear from you. What healthy habit do you have? Or what will you start today?
Maybe drinking more water, eating more colors, or walking after lunch.
Tell us in the comments below. We love reading your stories.
And don't forget to subscribe to Miss English channel and share this with your family.
Thank you so much for listening today.
You are all wonderful. Stay healthy and happy.
Thank you, Emily. This chat made me feel fresh and full of life.
Same here, Paul. Let's keep these good habits together.
All right. See you in the next episode, everyone.
Bye for now.
Bye-bye.